Actually, you have a good question there. It is great to see that you are aware of your family history and curious about what it may mean for you. If only people were as concerned about their health as you are, we would have very less people dealing with preventable illness. Having said that, I want you to know that there are two schools of thoughts. The first says that Alzheimer's does not happen as a result of family history. It is but the outcome of a combination of environmental and personal lifestyle triggers. People think that if their dad or aunt or uncle had Alzheimer's disease, they are doomed, but no, that's not true, says Dr. Grad Marshall, assistant professor of neurology at Harvard Medical School. Even though family history adds to the overall risk, age still usually trumps it quite a bit. It means your risk is higher, but it's not that much higher if you consider the absolute numbers. On the other hand, research from various renowned investigators suggests that there are a few very rare cases where Alzheimer's disease does run in families. In these cases, there is a direct link between an inherited mutation in one gene and the onset of the disease. These tend to be the cases of early onset Alzheimer's disease, which affects those under the age of 65. In these cases, the probability that close family members, brothers, sisters, and children will develop Alzheimer's disease is 1 in 2. But what is important to note is that most cases of Alzheimer's disease are not of the type that is passed on directly in this way. If a family member has a normal form of Alzheimer's disease, the risk to close relatives is around 3 times higher than the risk of a person of a similar age who has no family history of the disease. It is thought that in these cases, a person's genes may contribute to the development of the disease, but do not cause it directly. So, your answer is, you should be worried, but not if you are already taking precautionary measures to prevent the disease from getting to you. If you have Alzheimer's in your family but you alter your life choices, adhere to healthy ways of life, and take note of risk factors, you are safe and there's nothing you need to worry about. If there's anything still bugging you, sign up for Abudo's program on Alzheimer's and learn everything you need to know to save yourself from the fate your other family members experienced.